My greetings, good afternoon, good morning, good day, dear friends. Sometimes we have these intentions. We've all got good intentions, yeah? We all want to live peaceful lives. We all want to be happy, to be secure, to live from our higher self. Yet sometimes life gets in the way. We know that. Friends, you fall out with your friends, you divorce, you have debt, voila. You struggle to get your business off the ground, voila. Yeah, sometimes things just don't work out the way you want them to do, and no matter how much you try, it feels like you're, I don't know, just walking through treacle. You constantly feel stuck. You just don't know how to get that breakthrough. And rather than to keep struggling, to keep pushing and trying to hammer your way through, I'm learning to take a step back. Ain't easy, because my natural tendency is at times to be a bit fiery, to be a bit, when things don't work out my way, to be a bit impatient. Yeah, I'm learning through daily meditation practice, through the people I surround myself with, through the food choices I'm making, just simple little things. I'm learning the power of slowing down, the power of stepping back, the power of reconnecting with the breath as a way to give myself some space, some breathing space between the madness of what's happening around my head and around me and what my heart truly desires. Because we all have these desires. We all want our children to be happy and healthy. We want ourselves to be happy and healthy. Yet sometimes daily life, the way we respond, react to situations, it really puts a spanner in the works. So, when you recognise that things aren't working out for you, we have a choice. We have a choice right then and there to stop, to take stock, and to find a way to... We can't change external situations, but the one thing we can change, the one thing we do influence, is our inner state, our inner well-being. And I know that there were times during my divorce when I felt so mad, so angry, and I had the choice then to continue the anger or a choice to step back, find my breath and to breathe. So the practice I want to share with you today, it's a short guided breathing meditation that you can do anywhere, anytime, to give yourself that sense of space between the barrage of information coming towards you and what your heart and your soul truly desires, that sense of inner peace and calm. And as usual, breath work, quickest, fastest way to calm that nerves, calm your nervous system. So the breathing practice I'm going to share with you, we can do together. It's for all-time favourite. Basically, we're breathing in from the belly, and as you breathe out, that's number 1. You take another breath in, and on the next out breath, you say quietly to yourself, and 2. The next breath, you breathe in, and as you breathe out, number 4. Breathe in, and the next breath, and 5. Alright, so let's just aim today to get up to number 7. It's a nice number. So aim to set your intention that you're going to focus on your breath. You're going to count each out breath. You're going to go to number 7. When you reach number 7, yay! Give yourself a pat on the back. It's not a race, it's not a competition, it's just literally a way to put some space to calm your mind between what's going on around you, what you're feeling inside, and to allow yourself to find that sense of peace, that sense of calm that's buried deep down underneath all the angst going on. And if, whilst you're counting the out breaths, you realise that your mind has drifted away and you start to think about something that's gone on previously, excellent, that's all good, because that's the practice. The practice is being aware and coming back to your mantra, your focus, your point of attraction. Okay, so Anytime we come to meditate or to do breath work or to yoga, set your intention. Think about what it is you're seeking, you're looking for more of in your life. Do not be attached to the outcome, and then just take a pause, find your breath, settle your body. So get a sense of sitting up, lengthen the spine, have the ears and the shoulders in line, and just take a moment to settle, to tune in, to find your breath. Take a moment just to observe the everyday breath. Don't change the breath, just notice what you notice about the way you breathe. Observe the in-breath and observe the out-breath. As you're breathing in and as you're breathing out, what do you notice about the in-breath and about the out-breath? And when you've found that rhythm, you've found a comfortable pace of being aware of your everyday breath, I invite you to set your intention again, remind yourself, and we're going to count each exhalation from 1 up to 7. Go at your own pace, listen to your body. If you need to move because you've got an itch or you've got back pain, gracefully move and come back to number 1. So each time you have an out breath, you progress up to number 7. So let's do the first 3 together. So settle yourself, find your posture, find your pose, find your breath. Inhale. 1. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. Number 4. Inhale. Exhale. Number 5. Inhale. Exhale. Number 6. Inhale. Exhale. Number 7. Well done. And just come back to the everyday breath. Noticing what you notice about the mind, the body and the breath. Well done. Well done. Well done. So, how is the mind space? What do you notice that feels the same, that feels different for you? I feel clearer and a lot calmer. Yeah. So that's a very simple meditation technique, breathing meditation technique you can do. Anytime you feel yourself getting pulled in too many directions, you feel yourself being pushed away, being pulled away from your centre of calm, your centre of peace and stability. Focus on the breath, breathe in and count each out breath up to 7. Alright? Give it a go. Give it a go tonight or tomorrow and let me know how you get on. Thank you. And as usual, I'm here most weekdays, Monday to Friday, around 6 o'clock BST, sharing super simple, breathing exercises, meditation techniques that you can use anywhere, anytime, just to help you be the real, kind of like the true version of yourself. Right, thanks for watching. Take care. Let me know how you get on, and I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Cheers. Namaste. God bless. Thanks for watching. Take care, dear friends. Bye now. Thank you.